Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your mobile hotspot to a laptop or PC in a very simple way. So let's get started. First, take your mobile phone and open the quick menu or notification panel from the top of the screen. Now turn on your mobile data first. After that, tap on the hotspot option to enable it. Next, press and hold on the hotspot option to open the hotspot settings. Here, you can check your hotspot name and password. You can also change them if you want. Now move to your laptop or PC. On the bottom right corner, click on the Wi-Fi icon. You will now see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Find the hotspot name of your mobile phone and click on it. After that, click on the Connect button. Now enter the hotspot password that you checked on your phone. Once you enter the password, click Next or Connect and wait a few seconds. After connecting successfully, your laptop or PC will start using your mobile internet connection. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.